Hey, Thumbelina, there's no kids playing today. Why'd you tell me to come here?
I thought you could use a refresher course on b-ball rules and regulations.
You're nuts. I'm gonna go pound a few.
First of all, you booze, you lose. And secondly, if you don't turn around, Officer Sherman over there is gonna hear about the infamous peanut brittle incident.
What's with the Dunkin' Munchkin?
His mom had to do a double shift, so I'm watching him till she can get here. Now both of you coppers squat next to me and let's observe.
Check it out. Looks like somebody's a big fan of Courtney Gears.
Courtney who?
Come on, remember that bombshell handing out prizes on Annihilation Nation?
Ah, yes. Her specifications were remarkable.
Yeah, well, she's not the hottest pop star in the galaxy because of her singing.
That is odd. It appears this computer was recently used to edit one of her music videos.
Oh, let's watch it! I mean, you know, it may contain a clue or something.
Yeah, what's up, people? It's Courtney Gears. Are you feeling me, robots? I'm feeling you. I see the future, and what do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. Can't stand organics, they're soft and squishy. The time is now, where robots must be free. Do you wanna be free? Then shout with me, yeah! This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life?
She always seems so sweet and innocent in her videos. Well, except for that one with the... You know...
Benjamin! Don't ever use that kind of language again. Do you hear me? I'm sorry.
Aw, he's just having some fun.
But it's not going to be his. One day to be stoned around here is enough. Let's go, Benjamin.
You know, my mother doesn't like you very much.
You know, I don't like me very much either. Nice playing with you, Mini Shack.